In the previous series, we have discussed about the Anumana Pramana in the physiological and diagnostic aspects. Now, in this series, we are going to discuss about Anumana Pramana in therapeutic aspect. Anumana Pramana is very important in therapeutic aspects. While planning for a treatment of a disease by using many combinations, and if the disease is very complicated and the symptoms are also very complicated, we need to use the combination of many formulations. So, in order to find this combination, we have to use Anumana Pramana also. Based on our Purva Pratyaksha Jnana about a formulation and its action on a symptom, we use this to find a new combination of formulations for a new disease. As in previous sections, we have discussed about Grahya Bhavas and Pariksha Bhavas. Grahya Bhavas are the things that we infer. Pariksha Bhavas are the things based on what we infer. If Vyadhi, disease, is a Grahya Bhava, then its Pariksha Bhava is Vedana. Then from this we can understand that if there is Vedana or pain, then we can infer that there is some sort of disease is there. Coming to Guda Linga Vyadhi, means symptoms are not specific in the disease. If this is a Grahya Bhava, then its Pariksha Bhava is Upashaya and Anubashaya. Or by seeing, by Upashaya and Anubashaya means trial and error method of medications. So by seeing this, we can infer about the Guda Linga Vyadhi. The main example for this is our new COVID virus, because the symptoms of the COVID virus itself is very non-specific. So, in such situations, Acharya has told about doing a Upashaya and Anubashaya method of treatment, means trial and error method. Acharya has told about the assessing of Dosha Pramana. Here, if Dosha Pramana is considered as a Grahya Bhava, then Vishesha Ama Abhachara Visheshena is considered as the Pariksha Bhava. Means, based on the provocative factor, we can infer about the Pramana of Dosha. Coming to Ayukshaya. Ayukshaya means decrease in lifespan. If Ayukshaya is considered as a Grahya Bhava, then its Pariksha Bhava is Arishta Lakshana. Arishta Lakshana means the factors which denote a impending death. So if we see such factors, such symptoms in the body which denote a impending death, then we will infer that the lifespan of the patient is reduced. If we see some symptoms that suggest that the person is going to die, from that then we can infer that the lifespan of the patient is reduced. By this we come to an end to some examples for Anumana Pramana in the therapeutic aspects. In the next series we will be discussing about the Anumana Pramana in the research aspects. By this we come to the end to this series.